Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, your laptop open, and while the world rushes to their 9 to 5 grind, your AI is already making money for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is your wake-up call. But here's the thing. If you're not taking advantage of AI to build your wealth right now, you're not just missing the boat. You're letting it sail without you. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful ways you can start earning with AI today, even if you have zero technical skills. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the last one could be a complete game changer. Let's face it, the economy isn't getting any easier. Prices are climbing, job security is shrinking, and the thought of living paycheck to paycheck, that's the nightmare, isn't it? But what if I told you the same AI that's automating jobs can also be your golden ticket to financial freedom? Here's how. First up, content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can write blogs, scripts, and even full-fledged books for you. Think about it. Brands need content 24/7, and you could be the one supplying it without even typing a word yourself. No more staring at a blank page. Here's the twist. You don't even need to be a writer. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with clients who'll pay top dollar for AI-generated content. All you need to do is master the tools, and the world's your oyster. But what if I told you there's an even simpler way to cash in? AI video tools like Pictory and Synthesia are revolutionizing the way content is made. You can create professional-grade videos in minutes without ever stepping in front of a camera. Goodbye, awkward selfies and endless retakes. Hello, effortless Hollywood vibes. From YouTube ads to explainer videos, businesses are hungry for video content. And here's the kicker. You can start offering these services without needing expensive gear or video editing skills. But wait, what if you don't want to create anything at all? Enter the world of AI trading bots. Tools like CryptoHopper and Trade Santa let you automate stock and cryptocurrency trades. You set the parameters and the AI works 24/7 to maximize your profits. Imagine making money in your sleep, literally. But here's the caution. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to start small and learn the ropes. Speaking of smart money moves, there's one more hustle that requires even less effort. Dropshipping, but with a twist. AI tools like Spocket and Oberlo can help you find trending products, automate inventory management, and even predict future bestsellers. Think of it as having a crystal ball that tells you which sneakers will be the next TikTok sensation. And with platforms like Shopify, setting up your store is as easy as binge-watching your favorite Netflix series, except this makes you money. But what if I told you there's a way to make money without selling anything? Here's the big twist. AI doesn't just help you create or sell. It can work for you in ways you've never imagined. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate passive income strategy, and AI takes it to the next level. Tools like Jasper and Writesonic can create email campaigns, blog posts, and social media ads to promote affiliate products. You earn commissions without ever touching inventory. And here's why you need to act now. AI is evolving at lightning speed. The early adopters are already raking in profits, and if you wait too long, the market will be saturated. So what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Let me remind you of one thing. Every second you hesitate, someone else is getting ahead. But here's the good news. The AI revolution is still in its early days.